Hi, in the last lesson we learned about comparison calculations. In these lessons we are going to learn some of the features that is called relating to running calculations. Let us come back to the browsers. Okay, so this is the report that we have created in the last sessions. Let us bring about some of the changes here. So we have one categorical variable that is called text based variable dimension, that is called subcategory, and two matrices that we have created, and let us bring about some of the changes in second matrices. So let us make it same, that sum, and let us change it to this is numeric, this is let us change it to none. Okay, so now let us wait for the report to load up. It is delaying. So both the tables, both the cells are now identical. So both the cells are now identical. Now let us see some of the features that is called running calculations. So we have, just as here comparison calculation, we have one here that is called running calculations. Okay. So let us select uh, here running calculations for the second metric. So here we have running sum. Let us see what changes taking place in the second metric. Running sum. So it is loading up. Okay. So this is actually what it does in case of running sum. So this is in against the book cases. You see, both are same. But in the second case, copier book cases plus copiers, both the totals it is taking as 584,000. Okay. Okay. So after these two are summed up when we are selecting this as running sum. Similarly, when it is comparing all these things in comparisons, when all these three are now taken into consideration, when phones are added, that means first value, second value, third value, three values are added, and finally the value comes 8 867,000. It comes likewise it comes. Let us see the second feature. So running minimum, next feature is running minimum. Let us wait for the data to load up. So for the past row, you see book cases, it is 294,000, it is also 294,000. So out of these two, you see these are compared in pair. Out of these two, what is the minimum? That is called 290 thousands. So next, if you see between copiers and phones, that means 290,000 and 282,000, this is the minimum. Similarly, if you see the like take for example art and tables 127,000 and 89,000 between, so this is the minimum. So this is taking the minimum, running minimum. So let us see running maximum. Similarly, it is the reverse case. So let us wait for the report to load up. So in that case we will get the reverse things. Okay, so maximum value out of 2 will be taken into considerations in that case. Let us wait a little, it is becoming slow. Yes, let us see. So out of these two, you can see that book cases and copiers, what is the highest value? If you see out of these two, so the highest value is book cases value, that is called 294,000. Similarly, copiers and phones both are compared in pair, 290,000 and 282,000. So the highest value is 294,000. Similarly, if you see the binders and furnishing, if you see 78,934 and 68,237, the this is also taken into considerations. Okay. So running maximum, which is the maximum value that it is taking. Okay. So similarly, let us see running count. In this case, what happens? It is just to take the counts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that it takes. So then running average, what it makes? What it makes running average? This is for the first subcategory book cases, it is the one only. This is in both the cases it is same. Copiers cases, what happens? It is so both the average, that means this figure, that means copiers figures, book cases figure, total sales, and copiers figures plus copiers figure and divided by the total number of orders. This comes actually. This is how it is being. Okay. So this is how it is being calculated. So the running delta, let us see that there is another features that is called running delta. We will see this. So this is running delta, actually this find out the difference between the current sales and previous sales. That means current sales, what is the current sales? If you see, take for example, in the first row it is both are same, but in case of copiers, current sales is this 290,000 minus 294,000, that is called minus 4,315. So this is the figure it is coming. So basically Google Data Studio has a features that is called, both the features that are essential. Sometimes we in analysis and in visualizations we need to see both comparison calculations and running calculations, and these both features are essential sometimes which we need to use. So this is the lessons, and we will see you in next lesson. Thank you.